Hello everyone, my name is Vipul Sharma and I'm a faculty of English at SN International School. Today we will be studying about conjunctions and its types. So, beginning with the meaning of conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins words, clauses, phrases or sentences. For example, but, and, or, nor, yet, for, so, although, since, because, unless, when, where, while, etc. Conjunctions make a link between words or group of words to other parts of the sentence and show a relationship between them. For example, Alex and Robin are playing together. Alex plays well, but Robin plays better than him. I play cricket and my brother plays football. When he was sick, I went to see him. Now, coming to the types of conjunctions. We have three kinds of conjunctions. The first we have coordinating conjunction. Next we have correlative conjunctions. And the last we have subordinating conjunctions. Now, the first conjunction is coordinating conjunction. The job of a coordinating conjunction is to join two words, phrases or independent clauses which are parallel in structure. Parallel structure means two clauses or phrases which are of equal importance or both are independent. The 7 coordinating conjunctions can go between words, phrases and clauses. We can use the acronym FANBOYS to make it easy to remember which conjunctions are coordinating, like for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Now we have few examples. We went to the stadium and enjoyed the cricket match. Do you want an ice cream or chocolate? Go away and never come back. The next kind of conjunction we have subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions make clauses independent, so an independent clause is needed as well. It joins elements of an unparalleled sentence structure. These elements are usually a dependent clause and an independent clause. Most commonly used subordinating conjunctions are although, because, since, unless, when, while, etc. For example, number 1 we have I get over my nausea, I'll never be an astronaut. Marina is excited because it's her birthday. Before we left home, I had my breakfast. When he was washing my car, I went to the store. Even though the weather was horrible, they still went outside. Next we have correlative conjunctions. Let me tell you that these are always used in pairs. A correlative conjunctions uses a set of words in a parallel sentence structure to show a contrast or to compare the equal parts of a sentence. The words of a correlative conjunctions have a special connection between them. The correlative conjunctions are not only but also, either, or, neither, nor, both, and, not, but, whether, or. Now the examples and sentences. Neither Alex nor Robin can play baseball. I want both ice cream and juice. He ate not only the shakes but also the chocolate. So, a topic is completed over here. We'll keep on learning other topics as well through this knowledge center. If you like the video, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you once again.